Hey guys, how's it going? We're gonna do another one of those fire alarm videos. I haven't done a video in exactly a while. Anyways, I've changed some things around with the fire alarms lately. Replaced that one. I don't know if you guys saw it, but maybe you could see it in another video. It was in the kitchen area. That one's still the same. Alright, we're just gonna go to the other area. In this room, we got a strobe light. Strobe light says fire on either end. In this room, we got fire alarm here. And then down there, we have an activation system there. It's kind of small. I think I'm going to replace it. Bathroom needs another one, newer version. It's kind of the oldest version ever. It's like the first one I've ever made of a fire alarm. We're gonna go to the zone 2, which is the downstairs area. Also installed another one here, strobe light for the staircase over here. And here we got zone 2. I removed that one, place another one here. We're missing an activation system. I'm gonna install another one. Lockdown is gonna be replaced as well. That one's still the same. This one might get replaced. Kind of worn out. That one's still the same. Gotta put another activation system there. That one over there was replaced. And this one's the same. Oh, this one was replaced. I'm gonna pull it because the system hasn't been wired in yet, so looks like that. That's how this one works. It's a better system. Anyways, I made it better, and might do a tutorial on how to make one. I'm unsure though. But yeah, all those fire alarms are the same. I'm gonna go, and then we're gonna go in zone 1. We're gonna have our one of the system activation system, and one up there. It's gonna get replaced. This one's still the same. Gonna keep that one. This one's still the same. I replaced that one as well. Maybe add another one in here somewhere. Replace that one. Bathroom's gonna need one. That one's up there, still the same. And the original T-pole that was here was a pull out and pull down. That got replaced by this one. It's a newer one. And then, of course, we got this one. And this one is a newer system here. Newer lockdown system. Yeah, so I'm gonna get to the lockdown. Actually, no, we're not gonna do a lockdown because system's getting replaced. But we're gonna do about a couple fire drills, maybe for the first time. I'm gonna do one upstairs. But anyways, yeah. So I'm just gonna show you 2 things. I have another one of this kind right here, and then I have another T-pole. It's a different version, so you can feel like back here. Might put this T-pole over there and this one over there because it's missing, and then I might just get rid of that one. I don't need them that near each other. Anyways, I'm just gonna get into it. Right. Also, I'm also really sorry for not posting. I understand that's maybe why some of my subscribers have been going down. Had 530 around. I'll stop posting. I don't know. I just really didn't have video ideas. Well, I'm trying to get back into fire alarms, stuff like that. I recently did place an order for water-based pepper spray canisters. I'm also gonna do another a police uniform, a vest thingy, showing you what I have on. I've also upgraded it, so that's another idea. Also, I might put that city thing again. But yeah, here we go. Anyways, here we go. I'm gonna, gonna see if this one works still. It's been a while. Let's see. Looks like the system isn't working. Gonna open it up. Trade. I guess I'm gonna replace this one. It's not working. This is coming loose too. Yeah, I'm gonna replace that one. I'll go do the other one though. One over here. So I'm gonna replace that one. Here we go. I'm gonna go silence the system now. The rerun. Looks like everything works. Yeah. I'm gonna go get the system. And yes, I do use the TV as a thing. It's kind of the only option I have right now, but the only option I've had, but it brings realism to the fire thing instead of me doing noise or doing it with a flashlight. I might do it with a flashlight, just why not? But yeah, looks like Zone 2 works. Not gonna do a lockdown drill because or test because system right now has been disabled. I've disabled it for now. I'm gonna go reset the system now. Let's go ahead and reset. Yeah, looks like this zone works. I think I'm gonna do separate videos, so this is a video. Still, it does work. Part of Zone 2 now. Yeah. I don't know. You guys comment down below if you want me to replace something. Sorry. Like you want me to replace those ones or darker ones. Yeah, recently I've gotten better at making fire alarms. Much neater. I don't look rushed. Like look at this. It's much neater now. Like, especially these ones. See, I could just do this. It's easy, looks realistic. But yeah, that's gonna be it for Zone 2. Come back for Zone Zone 3 and 1. I had a mix up with my words there. Zone 3 and 1. But that's gonna be it for now. Have a good one, guys. Comment down below. I may be doing a lockdown drill. This is I will tell you something. This will get replaced by one of these ones. Gonna look like these ones. But it said is police and it's blue. But as for this thing, when it says activate, it's gonna look the same, except it's gonna be blue and it's gonna say, instead of fire, it's gonna say police. These are gonna be replaced too. These are old versions. But yeah, that's it really for Zone 2. It's not much. It's just the whole room. Anyway, good.